Okay students, we are going to discuss problem number 1. In this problem, we will compute unit product cost under absorption costing and variable costing. The problem is ABC produced an inexpensive yet quick bicycle for use on the city crowded street that it sell for 500 rupees. Selected data for the company operation last year follows. Units in beginning 0. Unit produced 10,000, unit sold 8,000, unit in ending inventory 2,000. These all are the units, that's why there is no any currency unit is no currency is mentioned, right? Variable cost per unit, direct material rupees 120. It's mean we are talking about the cost because it has some value which is in rupees, right? So direct material in rupees 120, direct labor 140, variable manufacturing overhead rupees 50, variable selling and admin rupees 20. Fixed overhead, this is mentioned in total. Fixed manufacturing overhead 6 lakh, fixed selling and admin 4 lakh. Okay, what is the requirement of the question? The number 1 requirement is that assume that the company uses absorption costing. Compute the unit product cost for one bicycle. Okay, we need to calculate the unit product cost of one bicycle. And in second, assume that the company uses variable costing. Compute the unit product cost for one bicycle. In second one, we will compute the unit product cost under variable costing method. Okay, we know that as you know that under absorption costing method, we take first direct material, then direct labor, variable manufacturing, variable manufacturing overhead and fixed manufacturing overhead, right? Okay, so we will calculate these. The direct material in the question, we have the value that is 120, labor 140, manufacturing overhead variable 50. So take these three values from above from the question, and now we have fixed manufacturing overhead. Okay, so fixed manufacturing overhead, we have this in total, right? Like I'm writing here 6 lakh, but see here this value is in total, not per unit. So what we want to do, we will change or we will convert into per unit cost, right? Okay, so my cost of fixed manufacturing overhead is $6 lakh, and my unit produce is 10,000. From where I got the unit produce? It is mentioned in the question, unit produced, right? See here, unit produced, that is 10,000. So 6 lakh divided by 10,000, what we will get? 6 lakh divided by 10,000, the answer is 60. Okay, calculate the unit cost, right? Sum and all these values. 370. So my unit product cost under absorption costing is 370. Okay, now we will calculate the second requirement, that is unit product cost under variable costing method. Okay, under variable costing, we will take only material, labor and variable manufacturing overhead. As you know that in variable costing, we don't consider the fixed manufacturing overhead cost, right? So I am not writing here the fixed manufacturing overhead, right? This is not the part of under variable costing, right? Under variable costing, we exclude this fixed manufacturing overhead in our product cost. So what is my product cost? You can see or you can calculate, take these three values and sum these values. So my variable cost under my product cost under variable costing is 310, right? See, In absorption costing, my unit product cost is 370, and in the variable costing, my unit product cost is 310, right? So this is the requirement of this question.